Horses require regular attention, maintenance, and training from a suitably trained and experienced handler. If you are not prepared to make that commitment to meeting the horse's needs, then don't own a horse. They crave attention and respond well when treated correctly. In an ideal situation, a horse needs daily social contact and companionship, whether with people, other horses, or similar animals. Horses are large animals and need space in which to exist and exercise on a regular and daily basis. You should never leave your horse alone for extended periods of time, and daily contact is ideal, failing which it could affect their health and their happiness. You need to develop a relationship with your horse by regular grooming, ensuring that you have the right equipment for this purpose. Horses need to feel important, loved, and cared for in order to nurture and develop a close bond and trust. Training and riding should be frequent to nurture and grow your relationship and riding skills. Horses require space and freedom of movement, with good access to roughage such as grass, hay, or straw. Ensure that at all times your horse has access to food and fresh, clean water to ensure their health and happiness. Horses are an investment and require a great deal of time and money. If you are unable to attend to the horse's needs personally, you need to make an alternative arrangement to ensure that they get the devotion and attention that they need. It is important to realize and understand that horses need a great deal more care than other domestic animals, such as dogs, cats, or even tropical fish. And owners need to understand both the financial and time commitments required for horse ownership. Can you leave horses unattended? No. Horses should not be left unattended, even for weekend trips. If you can't check on your horse daily, you can pay to board them at a stable that will care for them when you're not available. Horses need protection from the elements, so it is important that you have good shelter available when adverse weather conditions pose a threat to their comfort and confidence. Horses should not be kept in stalls for extended periods of time and require at least 8 to 10 hours of turnout time to enjoy open spaces and free range for them to get over this pent-up energy.